Another day, another English lesson. If only. Wishes and regrets. Hello everyone, welcome. Today let's learn how to use two little words. If only. We use if only to talk about things we wish were different. It's stronger and more emotional than wish. For the present, we use if only plus past simple. Examples. If only I had more time. If only I knew the answer. For the past, we use if only plus past perfect. This expresses regret about something that already happened. Examples. If only I had studied harder. I didn't study hard enough. If only I had arrived earlier. I arrived late. We can also use if only plus would to complain about a situation we want to change. Examples. If only it would stop raining now. If only the bus would come on time. Now you try. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. One. If only I knew the answer right now. 2. If only she had called me back yesterday. I miss her very much. 3. If only he would stop checking his phone during dinner. Then the family could talk together. 4. If only we had had more money when we were younger. 5. If only my neighbor would turn down his music right now. 6. If only I had brought an umbrella yesterday. 7. If only the weather would improve so we could have a picnic. 8. If only I had read that email before I hit send. Now it's too late. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.